Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing great. Thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What can I get for you today?
I'd love a cappuccino, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Small, medium, or large?
I'll take a medium.
Got it? Any sugar or sweetener?
No, thank you. Just the regular one is fine.
Would you like to have it here or to go?
I'll have it here.
Perfect. One moment, please.
Sure. Take your time.
Is this your first time here?
No, I come here often. I love the coffee.
That's great to hear. We're glad you enjoy it.
Everything is so cozy here.
We try to keep it warm and welcoming.
You definitely succeed.
Thank you. Do you work nearby?
Yes, just across the street.
That's convenient.
It really is. I come here during my breaks.
That's awesome. Do you usually get a cappuccino?
Most of the time, yes. Sometimes I try a latte.
Our lattes are great too. You should try the hazelnut one.
Ooh, that sounds delicious.
I'll give you a free sample next time.
Really, that would be amazing.
Of course, we like treating our regulars.
That's very kind of you.
Here's your cappuccino, fresh and hot.
Thank you. It smells amazing.
I made a little heart in the foam. Hope you like it.
Wow, it's beautiful. You're talented.
Thank you. I've been practicing latte art.
You're doing great. This looks like a photo.
You're too kind.
How long have you worked here?
About 2 years now.
Do you enjoy it?
I really do. I get to meet so many people.
That's true. You must hear lots of interesting stories.
Oh yes, every day is different.
That must keep it exciting.
It does. And I get free coffee.
That's the best part.
Absolutely. Coffee keeps me going.
Same here. I can't start my day without it.
You're not alone in that.
Do you have a favorite drink?
I like flat whites, smooth and strong.
I've never tried one.
You should. I can make you one sometime.
I'll take you up on that.
Deal. Do you want a receipt for this one?
No. Thanks. I'm good.
All right. Enjoy your cappuccino.
Thanks again. It looks perfect.
You're very welcome. Have a lovely day.
You too, I'll be back soon.
We'll be happy to see you again.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Hi, this is my first time at KFC.
Welcome. I'm glad you're here.
Thank you. The menu looks interesting.
Would you like me to walk you through some popular items?
Yes, please. What do most people order?
Our Zinger burger is a customer favorite.
Oh, I've heard of that. Is it spicy?
Yes, It has a crispy, spicy chicken fillet with mayo and lettuce.
Sounds delicious. What's the price?
It's 18 riyals for the burger alone and 24 riyals with fries and drink.
Okay. And what about the regular chicken pieces?
We offer original and spicy. A 2-piece meal is 20 riyals with fries and a drink.
That's affordable. Is the original crispy too?
The original has a softer crust with herbs. The spicy is crispier.
I like crispy food.
Then spicy will suit you better.
Great. Do you have grilled options?
Yes, our grilled chicken rice bowl is very popular.
What's in it?
Grilled chicken chunks over seasoned rice with sauce.
How much does that cost?
Just 22 riyals, and it's quite filling.
Sounds healthy. What are your sides?
Fries, mashed potatoes, coleslaw, corn, and biscuits.
I love mashed potatoes. Are they creamy?
Very creamy, with a bit of gravy on top.
Yum. And coleslaw?
It's fresh, crunchy, and slightly sweet.
Nice. What's the price for sides?
Small size is 5 riyals, large is 8.
Do you have combo meals for families?
Yes, we have a 9-piece bucket with 3 sides and drinks for 69 riyals.
That's perfect for gatherings.
Exactly, it's one of our best sellers.
What about desserts?
We have chocolate cake and soft serve ice cream.
How much is the cake?
7 riyals per slice.
I'll definitely try that.
It's rich and moist.
Do kids like it?
Kids love both the cake and ice cream.
And beverages?
We serve Pepsi, Miranda, Mountain Dew, and water.
Any fresh juices?
Unfortunately, only soft drinks and bottled water.
That's fine. Is refilling allowed?
Yes, for dine-in customers.
Great. What about wraps?
We have twister wraps, chicken with lettuce and sauce.
Spicy or regular?
Both options are available.
Price?
14 riyals for one, or 19 with fries.
That's a good snack.
Yes, it's light and tasty.
What do you recommend personally?
I'd suggest the Zinger Box meal burger, fries, piece of chicken, and drink.
That sounds like a feast.
It is, and only 29 riyals.
I think I'll go for that.
Great choice. Would you like spicy or regular?
Let's go with spicy.
Noted. Any additional side?
I'll add mashed potatoes.
Small or large?
Small is fine.
All right. Would you like dessert with that?
Yes, chocolate cake, please.
Perfect. That's a tasty combo.
I'm excited to try all of this.
You'll love it. We'll have it ready shortly.
Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your meal.
Customer. I definitely will. Thank you for learning with us. Consistent practice leads to real improvement. Continue engaging with English daily, and your confidence will grow naturally. See you next time.